Welcome back to Velocity Banking 101, Building Wealth in the Black Community. Today, we're tackling two essential tools for building wealth: loans and lines of credit. By the end of this show, you'll understand the critical differences between these financial instruments and how to use them strategically to achieve your goals. So grab a notepad and let's get started. First, let's talk about loans. A loan is a one-way lending tool where you borrow a sum of money and make fixed payments over a set period to pay it back, plus interest. It's like renting money from the bank. Common examples include mortgages, car loans, and student loans. When you make a loan payment, the money is divided into principal and interest. The principal is the original amount you borrowed, while interest is the cost of borrowing. With each payment, more money goes toward the principal and less toward interest. Once you've made all the payments, the loan is paid off, and the money is gone forever. Now, let's explore lines of credit, the financial Swiss Army knife of the wealthy. A line of credit is a two-way lending tool that allows you to borrow, repay, and reborrow funds up to a set limit. It's like having a financial safety net and a springboard for opportunity rolled into one. Picture this. You have a $100,000 line of credit. You use $60,000 to invest in a promising business venture. Your balance drops to $40,000, but you still have access to that remaining $40,000 whenever you need it. As you repay the borrowed funds, your available credit increases. It's a powerful cycle of borrowing, repaying, and reborrowing. The key advantage of lines of credit is flexibility. You only pay interest on the money you use, and you can access funds as needed. This makes lines of credit perfect for seizing opportunities, handling emergencies, or even providing a bridge during irregular income periods. Now that you understand the basics of loans and lines of credit, let's talk about using them strategically. The wealthy use these tools to acquire assets, grow their businesses, and build long-term wealth. Remember the wealth gap between Black and white families in America? It's not just a gap. It's a full-blown financial epidemic. This issue strikes at the heart of the American dream, and we must close this gap by getting educated with information and financial tools. According to a recent study of consumer finances conducted by the Federal Reserve, the median net worth figures are as follows for white families: $188,200, and for Black families, $24,100. This means that the median net worth of white families is approximately 8 times that of Black families, based on the latest available data. Let's look at an example of how the wealthy use these tools. Let's say you spot a fixer-upper property selling for $200,000. You use a line of credit to purchase the property and fund renovations. After the updates, the property is worth $300,000. You sell it, pay off the line of credit, and pocket the $100,000 profit. Then, you use your newly available credit to rinse and repeat the process. Of course, using loans and lines of credit responsibly is crucial. Always have a clear plan for how you'll use the funds and how you'll pay them back. Don't max out credit cards on consumer goods or live beyond your means. Instead, focus on using these tools for wealth-building activities like starting a business, investing in real estate, or funding your education. In conclusion, loans and lines of credit are powerful financial tools when used strategically. Loans are one-way lending instruments perfect for long-term purchases, while lines of credit offer flexibility and opportunity for wealth building. To master the art of wealth, start by understanding these tools and how to use them responsibly. Create a plan, stay disciplined, and always keep your eye on the prize: financial freedom. If you want to learn how to use your credit card in Velocity Banking to get out of the 38-year debt trap, watch the video on the left next. If you want to learn how to use a personal line of credit to wipe tens of thousands of debt in record time, watch the video to the right of the screen. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this episode valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Remember, family, you gotta think rich to grow rich or you won't achieve it.